Hey everybody, and welcome back to my channel, and all hail the mighty watermelon. Today I'm making a watermelon granita, which is like an Italian natural snow cone, and a watermelon soda, both so refreshing and incredibly easy to make. You just need a knife and a blender and some space in your freezer, basically. Now stick around to the end of the video, and I'll show you an adult snow cone. That'll make you want to say...
Never done that before.
King of the summer fruits and so versatile. I started with about a 6-pound watermelon, which is about 2.8 kilos, some lemons, limes, mint, and vanilla extract, the not so secret ingredient that makes these sing. Now for the granita, I cut up half the watermelon and diced it up into chunks. Should yield about 4 cups, probably more. I think I got. Squeeze the limes. I only needed 2. You need 1/4 cup for it, or to taste. And in batches, blend the watermelon, the lime juice, a handful of mint, or once again to taste, and some vanilla to really bring out all those flavors. Blend away until liquefied and strain through a fine mesh strainer. You can use a wooden spoon to push it through, and then pour it into a 9 by 13 inch pan. Place it in the freezer. So there's no set rule to this. Some say every half hour. I think I did once an hour or so, and with a fork simply scrape the semi-frozen mix into crystals, place back into the freezer, and after about 3 to 4 hours you have a fluffy, refreshing granita that tastes like the best of summer, and no sugar. Now, onto the juice. Okay, so take the other half of the watermelon and do the same thing. Chop it up into chunks. Watermelon. Juice about 5 lemons to make about 1 cup of fresh lemon juice. And easy peasy, just blend in batches with the lemon juice, the vanilla, and optional, but I added a half a cup of simple syrup, which is equal parts sugar and water dissolved, because the tartness of the lemons needed some smoothing out for me. Strain it through a fine mesh strainer. And y'all look how pretty that is. Now this is overnight. See how it separates some? Don't freak out. Just stir it back together with a wooden spoon. And to make it a soda, I used my soda stream to gas up some flat water, and I added these sugar-free watermelon drops you can also get in soda stream, and added that to the juice to make one fine watermelon soda water. So good, you gotta try it. Now I also got creative, and I added some ginger frozen yogurt, and then I thought,
But this is a coaching session. We always have shots.
so I added a shot of the hooch, the apple cider moonshine from the earlier video, and made the best adult snow cone I've ever had. You guys have got to try this. I hope you do. Listen, everybody, thanks so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. Happy 4th, and we'll see you next time.